Hello guys, welcome to my another video. I'm going to show you the update on my Robot War game. This is a mobile game, a multiplayer online game. As you can see, I have here three devices, a Android phone, Android tablet, and a desktop computer. On the screen, I put the main lobby where players can select the game mode. As of now, there are two game mode, the versus game mode and the open world game mode. But the versus mode is the one that is working as of now. Now to check or to test the game, I'm going to select the versus mode. First on the Android phone. As you can see, the player on this phone is on the red team. And then I'm going to click the versus game mode on the tablet. And then the tablet now is on the team blue. And then going to the desktop, I'm going to the versus mode. Then the desktop is on team blue. Rather team red. Player 1 is the desktop computer. And then this matching features will match the online players, and then the game will wait for 60 seconds. If there's no more player, the system will generate AI player. And as you can see, we have now the team red, another red here, and then one on the team blue. There. I'll try to control each devices, rather each device. Then the blue one, team blue. I already put a mini-map here on this part in the upper right corner. There is the white dot represent my player or my character there. Then I will also move the player on the desktop. Where are they? There. As you can see, character movement is syncing with the other device. Let's focus on the Android tablet. In the Android phone. Oh, I'm dead. Here is the blue player walking. Okay, wait. I'm gonna move my red player near the blue player. There. As you can see, when I'm moving the red player, on the tablet screen, the player is also moving. When I select the blue player and hit it, on the tablet screen, red player is also hitting the blue player. Same as selecting the red player and hitting it, on the other side screen, the blue player is hitting the red player. There. We have a scoreboard here. As of now, the score is 4-5 in favor of, rather 4-10 in favor of blue team. And then there is also a countdown. I just set up the server to 5 minutes, meaning the match game will last for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the game will end. and then it will determine who's the winner and the loser. Okay, let us just wait 5 seconds. Based on the scoreboard, Team Blue should be the winner. There. Team Blue, victory, because the score is 12-5. And then both red team, this player on the Android phone and the player on the desktop, were both defeated. Now, after the game, player can exit the game, and then the player move to the main lobby, and they can start playing again. Oh, sorry. There. That's all for now, and I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.